still at the market tonight, and the street food is just really getting so excited. This is Kim from Reality Travel. I got bags and bags and bags of fruit and fish. There's one thing in here I kind of want to eat. I ate some things, but I am walking through this market, and it is just like we walked through it earlier and it was empty. But man, oh man, it is never ending. I want to know what a lot of things are. I want to try. Wow. What are these? They look like pancakes. And they smell so good. So what is that creamy stuff? Oh, really? Oh, okay. Oh, they look good. Let's see. Is that shredded carrots right there?
This one like a pancake. It's made from the egg.
From the egg.
Yeah, from the inside the egg. So sweet, little sweet.
Okay, so I could just take a plain one like that.
This plain one and sauce. อันนี้มีรสชาติไหมคะ มันจะยังไงอ่ะหวานนิดๆใช่ไหม This one like pancake, little sweet.
Little sweet?
Yes, but if you put the cream little bit, very nice one.
Okay, good. All right. How much are they?
อันเท่าไหร่ให้เขาเชื่อก็ได้อันเท่าไหร่คะอันละ10 บาท for one piece.
Okay, give me that. Well, just a little of that.
นิดๆนะคะทาครีมนิดๆ a little bit.
Thank you. Just a little bit. Okay, that's good. Well, take that. No.
Oh, right.
What is that in there?
Oh, this one. Oh.
Okay.
Raisin, you can put
Yes.
raisin.
Raisin.
เอาใส่ลูกเกด
Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. So
10 บาท
$10. Okay. All right. Don't put it in a bag. I'm gonna eat it now.
อ๋อไม่ต้องใส่ถุงค่ะโอเคพอ10 บาท
Thank you. And what's this called?
เขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะขนมอะไรถังแตก
Dang that.
Yes. Like a pancake.
Pancake.
Yes.
Oh wow. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Little bit sweet. Nice one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Really good. Okay. Thank you. Oh yeah, this is really good. Oh my God. See that? Really good. Fine thing. Okay, let's go. I'm going back through. I don't know what I covered, what I haven't covered. That is really good. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get some of these greens. That's good. All that's left. No meat. The night market in Bangkok, Thailand. This is Kim from Reality Travel.